flipping involves buying, renovating, and selling it for a profit. Home flippers usually take homes that most home buyers are not able or willing to renovate and improve them to the point where they meet home buyers' demand. Keep in mind that home buyer wants a house that is move-in ready. House flipping has become one of the most popular investment strategies in today's economics. House flipping is when a property investor buys a house with intention to fix it up and quickly sell it. So here are some steps to make sure you understand how to flip a house, not to flop. Before investing millions of cash and succeed in your business, first, research a range of real estate markets. What markets can you afford to flip your first house in? How much cash will you have to work with? Not every market is a good fit for flipping houses. The second one is set a budget and business plan. Real estate investors are entrepreneurs. Of course, they are in a budget. It has to include a business plan, a budget, a timeline, and a project scope. The third one is find a house to flip. Another crucial part of learning how to flip your first house is to find a good deals. This means not only buying a house below the market value, but it has to have wide enough margins to cover your expenses. When you have found the house to flip, the fourth step is renovation. The faster you can complete the renovation project, the faster you can sell it to the markets.